Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're going to do a little bit of time travel, some digital magic, if you will. We're going to rescue a memory that's literally on the verge of disappearing forever. Okay, so look at this. We're starting with something precious, right? But it's also incredibly fragile. I mean, our promise is to take this photo that's literally falling apart and make it look like a still from a 4K movie. Yeah, I know, it sounds like a crazy bold claim, but stick with me, because the tech we're about to unpack makes it totally possible.
And this is a problem so many of us have, right? You probably have a box somewhere filled with these priceless family photos, faded, scratched up, maybe even torn. They're real things, and just like anything physical, they're breaking down. And as they degrade, those memories they hold, well, they start slipping away too.
But what if? What if we could hit the brakes on that decay? Or even better, what if we could throw it in reverse? Well, that's exactly where AI media enhancement comes into play. And this isn't just some fancy filter making a lucky guess. No, this is a seriously smart AI that goes through the image, pixel by tiny pixel, to intelligently figure out and reconstruct what's missing. It's like having a master art restorer, but for your digital memories.
And you know what the best part is? This kind of tech is way more accessible than you might think. I mean, there are tons of tools out there for this. You've got the big, powerful, all-in-one suites like Wondershare that can tackle both your old videos and your photos. Then you have the super specialized tools like from Topaz that have all these different AI models you can choose from to get these just incredibly high-quality results. And hey, there are even some really capable free tools on the web that you can just fire up in your browser and use right now. Okay, so how does this miracle actually happen? How do we go from a fading piece of paper to something that looks like it belongs on a movie screen? Well, for a photo this damaged, it's not quite a one-click and you're done kind of thing. It's really a process, a workflow we can break down into 4 pretty amazing steps.
All right, it all starts with step 1, creating a solid digital foundation. You got to get a really good, high-quality scan of the photo. Think of it like this. The better the scan, the more raw material the AI has to work with. Better ingredients, better final dish, you know? Next up, in step 2, we tackle the damage with advanced AI repair. This is where the magic really starts to happen. The software goes in and intelligently finds all that physical damage. We're talking tears, scratches, decades of dust and noise, and just digitally mends it. It's amazing to watch. After that, we move to step 3, the colorizer. The AI looks at the black and white image, it understands the lighting, the textures, what's a face, what's a tree, and then it breathes life back into the scene with totally natural, realistic color. And finally, maybe the most emotional step of all, step 4, face enhancement. A specialized AI zooms in on the faces and sharpens those crucial details, the eyes, the smiles. This is the part that brings the people we love back into focus, making them truly recognizable again. It's just incredible.
All right, ready for this? Let's take one last look at where we started. Such a beautiful moment, but one that was physically falling apart. A memory getting hazier and hazier with time. And wow, here it is. This is the magic we were talking about at the beginning. Just look at that. It's clean, it's sharp, it's so vibrant and full of life. It's not just restored, it's like a resurrection.
I mean, let's just break this down for a second, because the transformation is absolutely total. We went from faded and covered in scratches to something that's crisp and perfectly clean, from plain old black and white to these gorgeous natural colors, from blurry, hard-to-see details to something you could honestly call 4K quality. It's really not just a fading old photo anymore, is it? It feels like a living memory. It's like a window you can look through, straight into the past.
So that's incredible for a photo, right? But hold on, because it gets even better. This same core technology isn't just for still images. You can apply these exact same ideas to old home movies. You know, that grainy, shaky footage, and turn it into something you'd actually want to watch on your big screen TV today. And for video, the AI can actually do even more cool stuff. We're talking 4K upscaling, so it can take that old 8mm film and boost it to modern high-def standards. It's got AI stabilization, which is a lifesaver for smoothing out that shaky handheld camera work from back in the day. It can even do something called frame interpolation. Basically, it creates brand new frames in between the old ones to make buttery smooth slow motion. And of course, just like with the photos, it can get rid of all that grainy noise and automatically fix the colors to make them pop.
And really, that's the whole point, isn't it? That number says it all. Whether we're talking about a photograph or an old home movie, the goal is to take this precious piece of history and present it with the same kind of jaw-dropping quality and clarity that we expect from a movie made today. It's all about bridging that gap between generations.
So when you boil it all down, the big takeaway here isn't just about the cool tech. I mean, the tech is amazing, for sure, but it's really about what it lets us do.
It gives us the power to be the archivists for our own families. We can actually rescue our own personal histories from being lost forever and then share them in stunning detail with the whole new generation. So it kind of makes you think, doesn't it? What memories that you thought were lost are you going to bring back to life?